Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add an image banner in your Shopify store. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can navigate to online store here. You can click on it. And in the theme page, you will find your current theme. So this is my current theme, down theme. You can click edit theme here, and then you will be redirected to your website editor. So this is my website editor. So in order to create or add image banner, you can choose the section. So maybe I want to add an image banner here, so I'm gonna click add section here, and then you can just search banner, and you will find image banner here. You can click on it, and then as you can see, my image banner has added to my website editor. So let's say you want to delete this, this box and this text. You can just go to your sidebar here. And as you can see in the bottom of image banners, there is blocks. So the heading, you can delete it. Click this one. And the text, you can delete it. And the buttons, you can delete it. Now you have only the image banner. So this one. And now if you want to change it, you can just click it and then you can select the image, maybe this one for example, and then click done, and it will change to your image banner. And then you can also select the image too if you want, maybe this one, then click done, and you can see you have two image banner here. And you can customize everything here. You can set up the height and also others thing like that. The position, maybe left, center, and right, and maybe the position of the top right, top middle, and others thing you can change it here. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.